1 second, please. What is that I'm trying to share?
I say you will get a green arrow symbol, right? Share screen in the mid of this.
I know, I know.
Okay, you are searching for the file.
No, no, I'm sorry.
Okay, no problem.
I'm having a little bit of uh, right. Can you see my screen? See, this
Yes,
is
I can
a
see.
okay. Let me make it. It's crazy. Slideshow from beginning. See, this is some of the topics that I want to. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. So these are some of the topics now I'm trying to do. So three major things: inbound processing, storage and operations, outbound processing. I know you covered a little bit on inbound, right? Today
Yeah,
you plan to do outbound processing, and also you plan to do any storage and
yeah.
operations anytime? Okay, good.
Yes, yes.
These are the three things. Basically, I have some, which I prepared a little bit from my own,
Yeah,
some of the things. These are the things. I don't know how far these things make sense, but we'll see. But basically, I want you to cover like, these three: inbound, storage,
yeah.
and outbound stuff. And
Yes.
apart from that, sorry, go ahead, please, Pradeep. You said telling something.
Yeah, so I'm just listening.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
the other one is, if you are okay, if you know anything about the anything on the automation side, scanners, mobile, and pick integration, that would help. Otherwise, that's fine. We can talk about later. That's all I just want to quickly talk. We will see. Don't worry, just continue with your flow. We will go
sure.
ahead.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
I'm going to
So,
switch off my
yeah,
video. We'll
yeah, that's fine. Yeah. So I'm going
go
to
ahead.
screen now. I'm going to share my screen now.
Yeah.
Okay. So we are able to see my screen.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is public cloud
So this is on-premise for
on
sure.
premise. Okay. And Fiori.
Yeah.
Okay. That's fine.
Yes, Fiori, this one. So I think so your
Yeah.
last time for the inbound, we just ran the process via the GI transaction.
GUI.
So yeah,
Hmm.
yeah. So, I just want to show you one process with the Fury.
Okay.
So let me
Create the.
create one
So
purchase
what are
order.
you, before you start, tell me what you plan to do with each and every
Yeah,
step. That's
yeah.
all.
So today, so one cycle I will show in the Fury. So last time we showed the process in this GUI. So today for the inbound, I'm going to show in Fury one process. So then I will explain the outbound process slide deck. Then I will run the outbound process directly in the Fury.
Excellent.
Yeah. So there is a reference PO already created. So you can see this is a create purchase order screen.
Hmm.
This is a standard PO. So creating PO for receiving the goods from the external supplier.
What are you doing?
So here you can see this is the standard PO and this is the supplier and this is the material I'm going to receive.
What is the material you're putting it?
S4
EWMS4.
-01. Yeah,
I see. Okay.
yeah. I'll just put
Your
some
purchase document is the purchase order.
purchase order. Yes, yes.
Okay. Mm.
So this is the yeah the purchase document. It is the purchase order. So here in the document overview, so we can just search for the our previously created purchase order. So with reference to that, we can create the new purchase order as well. So here is bit slow.
I just want to ask one thing, Pradeep. Have you ever worked on public cloud anytime?
No, I didn't get a chance to work
Okay.
on public or private cloud. So
Private cloud. Okay.
my
Pretty much
experience
you are
is
on
purely
on-prem.
onto on-premise.
Okay. All right. Go ahead.
Yeah, yeah. And it
Yeah,
is
I
a bit
know.
slow.
Sometimes
So,
it's gross.
yeah. Always very, especially in the sandbox, it's slow.
Oh my God. It's taking forever, huh? Mm. All right.
Maybe Fury and other things are working, no?
Yeah, Itish. Actually, I'm going to show one process in Fairy for the inbound. Okay. Let me
Do
check
one
what.
thing in this case. Instead of wasting your time here, go to
Hmm?
outbound, explain the
Yeah,
outbound, and send me a document stepwise
sure.
for both inbound and outbound so that
Yeah,
I can try it out in my private or public cloud by myself.
sure. Sure, then fine then.
Would you be able to, you understood what I'm trying to say?
Yes, yes.
So let's talk about outbound process. Now that it
Yeah,
is taking anyway long time,
yeah.
send me a separate document, not the deck, separate document. What are
Yeah,
all the
okay.
instructions? How do you do step by step in your
Sure.
own on-prem?
Yeah,
Based
yeah.
on that, I will try to do in my private or public cloud, whatever it is.
Yeah, fine,
Go ahead.
fine, got Yeah.
I know it's taking time.
Yeah, so
Please.
today we are going to explain about the WM overview and processes for the outbound. So this is the agenda like introduction and document flow and what are the parameters which influence the outbound process in AWM and what are the picking strategies and what is packing and loading. So actually the inbound process, it will start in the like in EWM. So the outbound execution. So it will start first from the picking preparation. So the warehouse operator. So when you get the orders, so you will start the preparation for the picking. So based on the outbound delivery order which is created, and against to that, the system will create the warehouse order. That means the picking warehouse task. So to pick the stuff from the source storage bin. So you will first do the preparation. So then once picking is done, so he will move to the packing work center. So then he will move to the staging. Staging is nothing but the GI area, goods issue area. So where actually the truck comes and there the loading will start and finally the goods issue. So this is simple urban process. So you can see this is the yard. Let's assume this is the yard and truck is arrived at door. So then the in the system already outbound delivery is created in the S4 system. Mm, yeah. So here like outbound delivery order. So this is the outbound delivery order. So this is purely in EWM. Okay. So when we create the outbound delivery in the S4 system, so it will create the outbound delivery order in the EWM and it will create the waves. Waves are nothing but it will club the outbound delivery order items into one single wave based on the shift to part